Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brie, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a deep condition with me using the Macadamia Natural Oil Deep Repair Mask. This is the sample size. It has 1 fluid ounce in here. This deep conditioner used to be really popular like 7-8 years ago. Like, this blew up on YouTube a long time ago, but I haven't tried it because it's literally like $20 for one. Actually, it's not $20. It's like $30 for one jar, but if you go to like Marshall's or TJ Maxx, sometimes you can find it there for $20, but that's still like really expensive to me. But I thought, you know what, let me just try the sample size, and if I really like it, then I'll buy the big jar. But then again, I have so much product, so there's really no rush for me to go out and get this unless I'm like blown away by it. But I really wanted to try this, and I feel like I haven't filmed in forever. I apologize, guys. I need to get back on it. But so yeah, I'm gonna open this and apply this to my hair and just like let you guys know how I feel about this and if it's worth the purchase or whatever. But anyway, so I am doing a hair growth challenge on my channel. If you guys have not watched my hair growth challenge video, I'll leave it in the description box to go check that video out. But basically, it's a 6-month hair growth challenge. And every month I'm going to be coming on the camera and giving you guys length checks and updates. And in that video, I like told you guys about all the stuff that I'm going to be doing. So we're going to be doing scalp massages, deep conditioning every week. There's a bunch of like different things that we're going to be doing to promote our hair growth. And we have a lot of people on board. So if you guys want to join, go ahead and watch that video and then comment down below this video or the hair growth challenge video saying that you're in and that you'd like to join. Okay, so I'm taking the deep conditioner out right now. It seems very thick. So, ooh, I got on my lip. It smells good. It's like a light, really like a light scent. All right, so that's that. I feel like I added a lot to this section, but yeah, there's not a lot of slip with this deep conditioner. So that's what I'm noticing so far. So we're just gonna move to the next section, and I'll let you guys know if there's anything else that I want to say about this deep conditioner. Absorbs fairly well, I should say, because whenever I add a deep conditioner into my hair, it leaves like way more like product, you know, like when you have like white in your hair, like it has some but not really that much. So that's something I noticed about this product, so that's interesting. But I feel like it's like I said, like it is kind of hard to work it through your hair. Usually when I add deep conditioner to my hair, it's not like hard to add to my hair. So adding water, it definitely helped to absorb adding more water, but adding more water didn't like really like add to slip, I should say. It's still a little bit difficult to work my hands through the product, even though I added a lot of water. But yeah, like with other deep conditioners, the application is much more smoother. This one doesn't feel as smooth as other deep conditioners I've tried. Other deep conditioners kind of just feel like better going in, and so my hair doesn't really like feel like that the way it does with other products. Like you can know when you put something in that's like really moisturizing and your hair kind of melts with it. Like this isn't making my hair like melt, you know? But that's just how it feels now going in. So still have a good amount left in this, even though it's only 1 ounce, it kind of is enough for my hair, to be honest with you. So if you have like hair like mine, or you feel like your hair is like the same length, one packet so far seems like it's enough. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys how much this costs. This was like $2.75 or something like that, so it's under $3 for the sample. So yeah, definitely better to try it out before you spend the money. So that's why I wanted to try it out, because I thought it would be a nice video for other people who haven't tried it and have wanted to. This is the front. So yeah, my hair looks good. Like, I mean, it looks good. I mean, I'm not like, it doesn't feel like super amazing right now, but then again, I haven't rinsed it out, so I'm about to rinse it out and I'll come back once it's rinsed to let you guys know my final thoughts. So I'll see you guys soon. All right, so I just rinsed it out. I was under the hooded dryer for 7 to 8 minutes, like the instructions said. And so yeah, my hair feels okay. I'm not like super blown away. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. It's nothing like super special to me, and like this stuff has been hyped up, and I'm just like not like I'm not saying I wouldn't use it again, but I mean, I can't really complain about it, but it's also nothing like that super, like I'm not obsessed and like need to have this in my life. And I feel like I've definitely had deep conditioners that made me feel like I need it in my life. And this one doesn't make me feel like that. Look, let me show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, my hair feels soft. It doesn't feel dry. Definitely feels like there's some moisture in there. My hair feels like kind of weird. And I don't know if it's because like I did clarify. So when you clarify, you really like strip your hair completely and you start fresh for the month. But yeah, my hair doesn't feel super crazy. Like I'm not like, oh my God, like you guys need this. But I mean, maybe it's one of those things that over time that you use it and then you start to really see the results and the benefits. But right now I'm just kind of just like, it's a deep conditioner. You know, that's how I feel about it. But I kind of just wanted, you know, to try it out and to do it on camera to let you guys know. So it's just there and I'm just like, so that's just my honest opinion. But give this video a thumbs up. And like I said in the beginning of this video, be sure to go watch my hair growth challenge video and join the hair growth challenge. Subscribe and turn on your post notifications, because very soon this month I'm going to be doing my first month length check and update on what I've been doing to grow my hair for this hair growth challenge. So stay tuned and I will see you guys in my next video.